In order to install CHOCOLTEY, we will have to go to the official page chocolate.org, and here we can see the product, the solutions, the community. We can read all about CHOCOLTEY. What is CHOCOLTEY? The courses, contact them, anything, okay? But we just want to install it, so we're going to click here, install now. Let me erase this. Okay. Now we will have to read the instructions very careful because we don't want anything to fail. Okay. Step 1. This is optional. It says that we can subscribe, but we don't want it. Okay, step 2, know the requirements. Windows 7, in my case I have Windows 10, so I think that I won't have any problem. And the PowerShell. This, we have to ensure that we are using an administrative shell. How do we do that? Okay, we will have to search for the PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, and we will have to execute it as an administrator. Okay? Wait, yes. Okay, installing CHOCOLTEY is super easy and super simple if you have Windows 10. If you don't, you will have to read this. You will have to you must ensure the get execution policy. It is not harder, but it is easy if you have the Windows 10, okay? For Windows 10, you just have to copy these these words, and you have to paste them. Control V, enter, and we will have to wait because my computer is reading the CHOCOLTEY. It will take less than a minute. Okay, you can set them. I think that is ready. Okay, if we don't have problem with that, we will continue. And if we don't see mistake, we are ready to use CHOCOLTEY. It says here, if you don't see any errors, you are ready to use CHOCOLTEY. Tap Choco or Choco on this, and you are getting ready. You are getting started, sorry. So I'm going to type Choco. And it's here. So, Choco, question mark. Oh, it's more than I expected. So here we have everything about the CHOCOLTEY, default options as switches. Now, if we want to install Python, I already have it because I installed it before and it was a little bit difficult. Well, I was a little bit scared of the security and all of that. Now, in order to install Python with CHOCOLTEY, we just have to go to community package. We're going to search for Python. Where are you? Here. We have to copy that. It is super easy. We paste it. And it is okay, we have to wait a little bit. And here we have the newest version of Python 0.9. And now we're ready to become Pythoners. We can program now. Well, I'm just waiting for it to be on 100. Sorry, I don't know what happened. I paused it. Sorry. Okay, now that we already installed the CHOCOLTEY and Python, I am going to teach you how to install Visual Studio Code. I already searched for it in the CHOCOLTEY official page, Visual Studio Code, and here I have the command to install it. It is choco install VS Code. So we're going to copy this and we're going to paste it here on our PowerShell. Choco install VS Code, enter, and we will have to wait until it is downloaded. It says here, do you want to run the script? Yes or A to all, or no, or print. I'm going to type A to all. Since I have already installed it, I don't know if if there is going to be something wrong, okay? But I hope that everything's okay. In your case, I suppose that you will install it perfectly, okay? So this is pretty easy. Even if you want to install any other package, you can search for it. If you want to install Chrome, you just have to search for it. And I think that I typed it wrong. Sorry. And here we have any package. Here we have some package from Chrome. I'm going to see if it's already installed. And yes, it says here install approved. I think that we're missing something, but I think that everything is fine. So if you want to install any other package, just search for it here in the community package, and well, do it. It's super easy and super faster. Okay, now we have Chocolatey installed 3 of 3 packages. Okay, that will be all for my part. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and sorry if my English is not that good, but I did this video in English in order to challenge myself a little bit. So this is me, Garcia Gomez, saying goodbye to you. I hope you find this really helpful. Bye, see you the next time.